Now I realize that even though on the outside I was hitting my sidekick with a mallet, on the inside I was hitting myself with a mallet of my own insecurities.
It's okay, bro. I like to hit things too.
Sonic, would you care to share with the group?
I don't know. I guess I could be more mindful of people's feelings and stuff. And maybe I'll go talk to Mike? Tell him I'm sorry?
Aww.
Alright, bring it in. Listen, Mike, I was wrong to say you're just a guy.
And?
And I'll never do it again.
And?
And if you want, you're welcome to come with us to the next battle with Eggman.
Apology accepted.